All the benefits with none of the commitment. Platform as a Service, or PaaS, is a cloud computing model in which a third-party provider delivers hardware and software tools, usually those needed for application development, to users over the internet. PaaS is like renting a car. You're not investing the time, money, or customization into it like you would on a car you own, but you're still the one driving it and paying for gas. PaaS frees developers from installing in-house hardware and software or running a new application. But it doesn't typically replace a business's entire IT infrastructure. Instead, it usually incorporates various underlying cloud infrastructure components, like operating systems, servers, databases, middleware, networking equipment, and storage services, all owned, operated, configured, and maintained by the service provider, not the business. The business just provides data and the applications. PaaS usually operates on a per-use basis, making it affordable for projects, but some providers charge a flat monthly fee. PaaS offerings are usually used for mobile app and cross-platform app development, as well as DevOps tools. The primary benefit of PaaS is simplicity and convenience for users, typically developers. PaaS decreases infrastructure management, automates or eliminates maintenance tasks, removes the complexities of load balancing, scaling, and distributing dependent services, and allows organizations to adopt new offerings and technologies without overhauling business processes. But there are risks too. Service availability is a concern, since provider service outages can severely affect customers and productivity. Vendor lock-in is another common concern, as well as uncontrollable internal changes to a PaaS product that can disrupt users. What PaaS offerings do you use? Let us know in the comments, and please give this video a like too.